Hi guys, this is me, Welby Kuyag from BSBA E71 Recto. Today's video is all about comfort. This is my compliance of my assignment in Tucuman. So, what is comfort? Comfort is to lessen the sadness, the pain, or sorrow of someone and to strengthen by inspiring with hope and restoring a cheerful outlook. So comfort helps people to be happier, and when people are happy, then they tend to work hard, which has a positive impact on the workplace productivity. By creating a comfortable work environment, many thought tasks will be a lot easier to push through. C is for caring, a person who is concerned about others and who does kind things for them is an example of someone who would be described as caring. Care is defined as to have feeling like concern, responsibilities, or love for someone or something. Caring means you are willing to put the needs of others first. Anyone can be a career and support other people whether they have a disability or not. So O is for obliging. If you're obliging, you're easy to get along with and eager to help. An obliging neighbor, for example, might volunteer to shovel your sidewalk after a flood. Obliging is perfect for describing someone who is especially considerate and helpful. So, M for mindful. Being mindful means being aware of your thought, emotions, and how you're feeling physically and mentally. It means being aware of your thoughts and feeling without judgment. Remember, this is no right or wrong way to think or feel in any moment. F stands for friendly, such as being kind, helpful, or affectionate. An example of a friendly gesture is smiling, waving, and saying hello. A friendly person is someone who is always kind. O for observant is one who is good at noticing things or someone who follows the rules and requirements of a particular person, who always spot when you get a new haircut or a new outfit is an example of someone who is observant. R for responsible. Being a responsible person means being able to consciously make decisions, conduct a behavior that seek to improve oneself and or help others. This definition of responsibility emphasizes the need for the person to comply with the negative consequences of his or her action. For tactful. Tact is the ability to tell the truth in a way that considers other people's feelings and reactions. It allows you to give difficult feedback, communicate sensitive information, and say the right things to preserve a relationship.